Hi friends, Mr. Kevin here with the Children's Museum of the Lowcountry in Charleston, South Carolina. And I'm going to show you a quick and easy experiment you can do. You only need a few supplies that you might already have, and if you don't, you can get them from the grocery store next time you're there. We're going to make a rain cloud in a jar to simulate how clouds form and make it rain or precipitate. You're going to need either a cup that you can see through or a jar. I'm using glass, but you might want to use plastic if you have it. The main thing is you want to be able to see through it so we can see our rain. You're going to need shaving cream that's nice and foamy. And you're going to need some water, some blue food coloring, and either a dropper or a straw if you don't have a dropper to suck up liquids and move them. So first, we're going to put some water in our jar about 3/4 of the way to the top, like that. Now the water is going to represent the air outside in the atmosphere. The shaving cream is going to be our cloud. And we're going to shake it up and cover the surface of our water. Shake it up a lot. Ta-da! There's our cloud. Clouds form as water evaporates. It goes up, up, up into the air. And the water droplets cling on to dust particles in the air. As they grow bigger and bigger, they get heavier. And once they're too heavy to stay up in the air, gravity pulls them down as raindrops. We're going to use our blue food coloring to make our raindrops. I'm going to put some in here, boop, 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 and add my water. To make some beautiful blue water that I can suck up by squeezing the bulb of the dropper and then letting go. And I'll drop the drops on top of my cloud of shaving cream. You can do a lot, and at first, they won't come out into the water. But if you wait, and if you add more, this time I'm going to use my straw and cover the top. Boop. It's gonna rain soon. It's almost through the cloud. If you look from the top, all the blue is on the top. And it's trying to work its way down through our cloud. And the more we add, the faster it will get through all the shaving cream to make it rain. Just like when the droplets get too heavy in the air, the raindrops will fall from the sky. Here it comes. It's raining. Wow. It took a long time for the droplets to get through the cloud. But once they did, it turned so blue so fast. That's how you make your rain cloud in a jar. Next time you're outside, you can look and see if there are some clouds in the sky. You can share your cloud in a jar creation with us with the hashtag CHSPlays or at ExploreCML. Bye friends, thanks for playing.